ancient times, Tulou people like to prepare special cuisine, also known as Cudweed cake, to celebrate the temple fair of the Lunar March, 3rd of lunar calendar. Today we are at Hua'an, Zhangzhou province to experience making the Cudweed cake, as well as experiencing the different culture of southern Fujian during spring.
请问老师什么时候开始做这个暑期果的？
这个暑期果我们是从小耳濡目染，每年的3月我们都要做这个暑期果，这是我们一种闽南文化的传承。然后我本人也特别喜欢吃这个暑期果。
The production of Cudweed cake requires many processes. After draining, we put it into stone, mortar, and hammer it. Then we mixed it with glutinous rice flour and kneaded it into clumps, which can be used as the peel. Finally, wrap the filling into it and press into a round cake, and then place it in a steamer lined with fresh banana leaves.
In this way, the Cudweed rice cake is finished and it's ready to be in the steamer.
Delicious, come let's try.
It's sticky, but it's
Very
really
sticky.
yummy. Today we came to Hua'an, Tulou to experience making and tasting cupcake cakes. We also came to see Qingming Tulou people and see the beautiful charm of South Fujian culture.
Cupweed cake is not only a delicacy of the Fujian Tulou people, it is also an embodiment for the wishes of the villagers for good harvest, good luck, and good health.
祝大家清明安康！